Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos. Standard 10 Language Study Question 1 Language Study 20 marks Part 4 of 5 Question 1 A. Do as directed 16 marks. First, complete the words by using correct letters 2 marks. Answer: gentle, enemy, season, farmer. Second, copy the sentences correctly 2 marks. Answer: first, may the luck smile upon you. Second, my brother can speak Marathi, Hindi, English and Japanese. Third, put the following words in an alphabetical order 2 marks. Answer: first, important, lock, paint, street. Second, hall, format, fraction, frequent. Fourth, punctuate the following sentences 2 marks. Answer: first, are you really serious? She asked me. Second, yesterday it rained heavily, didn't it? Fifth, make 4 words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the given word 2 marks. Literature. Answer: liter, true, rate, air. Sixth, spot the error in the following sentences and rewrite the correct sentence 2 marks. First, do your work without to complain. Second, during the summer many people die from sunstroke. Answer: first, do you work without complaining? Second, during the summer many people die of sunstroke. Seventh, write the related words as shown in the example 2 marks. Student, honest. Answer: student, honest, sincere, obedient, studious, wise. Eight, complete the word chains of noun. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word 2 marks. Answer: courage, east, tough, height, tame. Question 1 B. Language Study. Do as directed 4 marks. First, make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase 1 mark. In order to. Answer: my father works overtime in order to earn more. Second, add a prefix or suffix to the following words to make new words and use any one of the root words in your own sentence. 2 marks. A. Possible. B. Courage. Answer. A. Impossible. B. Discourage. Never discourage anybody from doing good work. Third, add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. 1 mark. Mother was cooking meal while. Answer. Mother was cooking meal while father was watching TV.